Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a brand Marshall. Marshall, I think, don't quote me on that, is a subsidiary of the House of Anfa London. This one is, they have few in their lineup. Marshall, there's a silver, there is a blue, and there is a white, and this one is called Jet Black. So this one is called Marshall Jet Black Eau de Parfum 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30. It's not readily available, maybe one or two places in the United Kingdom, and that's it. And most of the time is out of stock, and that basically made me curious why this one is going out of stock so quickly. So when I saw it in stock again, I bought it, and today I'm doing the unboxing and first impression. Please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. Okay, thank you, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. So simple black, simple box, which is a complete black with a silver writing. But attention to details always good. It's from the Middle Eastern brands, and so simple, but it does the job perfectly. The bottle is very good looking. Again, for a price, very good looking bottle, quite heavy, and again all over black. There's quite a bad boy impression on it. So it's quite good looking, and it's a magnetic cap, very good, and very heavy, like half the kilo is itself the cap, and it says M for Marshall in here. So attention to detail is quite good. It's got a outer plastic, but inside is a a glass bottle, which makes it very heavy. So the atomizer is modern and black, and here we go. The atomizer is not bad. It goes psh, 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 not psh. Okay, so it's okay. It does the job. All right. So how is the first impression for Marshall Jet Black Eau de Parfum 100 ml? Is targeted unisex, and here we go. First impression. Woo, citrusy. So the first thing it hits me is the citruses, and it's very juicy. So it's a juicy citrus. Very fruity. I can smell few fruits in here. Definitely apple, pineapple, blackcurrant, so you can tell where it's going. So this is another Creed Aventus inspired fragrance, but it smells very good for under £30. It smells very fantastically good. You know me, I'm a big fan of Creed Aventus DNA, and I can't get enough of it, so the more the merrier. Yeah, basically it's taking me there. Creed Aventus, very good one, and is very close to it. So this is a straight Creed Aventus clone, if you like to be straight, no twist, no change, no adding, no taking away. This is, for a price, is very good. So I'm smelling a little bit of smokiness in the background, the woodiness, muskiness, there's about birchiness to it, cedar is there, but overall at the moment it's quite balanced between the fruits and the citruses, and the woodiness and the smokiness is quite balanced. It might develop later, it might go one way or another, maybe go more smoky or less smoky. I have to report back that one to you in the next video, but for now, for the first impression, yes. Yeah, the patchouli is there, the rose is there, the jasmine is there. Everything you want in the Creed Aventus is in here. So Another Creed Aventus clone number 466. I'm just joking. Listen, as I said, I love Creed Aventus DNA. I can't get enough of it. The more the merrier. I'm loving it. For the price, is absolutely done to perfection. The only thing is we have to wait and see how is the performance. If the performance is anything good, then we have a big banger on our hand, because the blend is very nice. It just opened like a beautiful perfume, no harshness, no syntheticness, no alcohol. So for the price, it's done very well, and the quality is good. The perfumery is very well done. And look at it, it looks like a bad boy perfume, 100 ml, eau de parfum, and it looks the part as well. So far so good. Everything about it, it sounds good. But as I said, let's see the performance. Yeah, at the moment it's absolutely bang in the middle. So very, very balanced between the fruits and the citruses, the woodiness and versus the woodiness and the birchiness and the smokiness. So it's very, very balanced right now. Nothing is shouting out, nothing is too much or too little. So at the moment it's balanced, but it might develop later, so we have to wait and see. But for the first impression, you know me, I'm loving it. I can't fault it. It's very well done. Under £30 is worth every penny, but as I said, we have to wait and see for the performance. Beautiful. It's just every time you think they can't top it, they come up with something and they do a better one. So this is one of the better ones, especially for under £30. It doesn't compete with the like a 50 or 60 pounds ones, you know, the inspired fragrances by Creed Aventus, but for the under 30 is probably one of the best, if not the best, because it smells very, very good for under 30. Very balanced, very good perfumery, very no harshness, no. Obviously for this price point you expect some synthetic elements in here. It can't be all natural, but the blend is so done, well done, that you don't smell those synthetic elements. All you smell is basically the good elements, the nice elements, the natural elements, if you like. And you can pick up each note, and that is telltale sign of good perfumery and good ingredients. When there is a big mashup and you can't see which one is which, that is mostly done very, very cheaply and very, very hastily. But here you can pick up notes easily, like you can pick up the florals, you can pick up the fruits, you can pick up the woods, so when you do that, that means, you know, they worked on it. Somebody paid attention here. They didn't just go, here we go, another Creed Aventus and go. So far so good. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. Well, you know the story, the rest of the story, no age to it. Anybody can wear it from 15 to 150. In terms of season, better suited for cooler, for warmer weather, but obviously at the moment it's feeling the room, feeling the house, so it looks like it's quite strong. And you can wear it in winter as well if you like. In winter more sprays, in summer less sprays. In terms of sex, although obviously this is Creed Aventus inspired fragrance and it's quite masculine, easily if you are a lady and you like this kind of fragrance, you can easily wear it. There's nothing about this to shout overly masculine, okay? If you occasion, this is again dress up, dress down, evening, day, special occasion, casual, anything you want really. Very, very versatile as Creed Aventus is. This is the Swiss Army knife. It could easily be somebody's signature scent. And so overall, 2 thumbs up. I'm loving it. Just wait and see for the development and also the longevity. And I'll tell you in the next video the story of this beauty. So you do the math. £300 reformulated to death Creed Aventus, or under £30, quite well done and nice, and everything about it sounds quite good. So you do the math in that term. I think this one worth much more than just on the 30s. It's much more expensive. Okay guys, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. There are 18 of them in my collection. They're called the Scent of Persia. They are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, mysterious, unique. But you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.